Hello, my beautiful people. Thanks for visiting Docentes DigitalesTV. In this video, we're going to do the feedback session for the previous episode. If this is your first time here, I recommend you watch the last video where we talked about the difference between a state and a territory. Now, let's test what you've learned. Let's begin. Is California a U.S. territory? No. California is a U.S. state. Do territories have the same political rights as states? No. Territories have fewer political rights than states. Can people born in Puerto Rico vote for the U.S. president? No, they cannot vote in presidential elections while living in Puerto Rico. Are people from Guam U.S. citizens? Yes, people born in Guam are U.S. citizens. Do territories have voting representatives in Congress? No, they only send delegates who cannot vote on final laws. Did Hawaii and Alaska start as territories? Yes, they were territories before becoming states. Is Spanish widely spoken in Puerto Rico? Yes, Spanish is widely spoken there. Do territories have the same level of self-government as states? No, territories have limited self-government compared to states. Are the U.S. Virgin Islands a state? No, they are a U.S. territory. Do all territories want to become states? No, not all territories seek statehood. It depends on local opinions and politics. Remember to watch this feedback video several times to master all the key points. Don't forget to subscribe to keep improving your English and your knowledge of American culture. See you in the next adventure.